goodness. Is this the queue for fuel? Oh, this is going to get off to a good start today then, isn't it? Number 4? Right, where are you going?
I'm on the good.
Yeah.
You the one last time put it on the YouTube.
Yes.
I got it.
You got it?
Couple seconds.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You normally at the, sometimes on the end as well. You have to, yeah, I'll show you next time, yeah.
Very nice.
Yeah.
One taxi driver, he said, you're in YouTube. He said,
Yeah.
I said, just a little bit. So you have a lot of issues on the road, eh?
Yeah.
I'll tell him because he ain't got no one he can do them. And just tell him to give us a quick call. Yeah. Yeah, because I'm booked on, I've got 4 booked on so far.
Thank you very much.
I'll catch you later. Right, see you in a bit. Oh, welcome back to the channel, everybody. And it's St George's Day. It's grey, it's miserable. We've had a lovely Easter. It's blue skies, it was absolutely gorgeous. And normal service has resumed. Hopefully it'll clear up a bit. Pardon me. Ah, so it looks like me, my local friendly Shell Garage man has watched one of my videos. Oh dear. Oh my god. Can't learn to do, just go. Let's get around this roundabout. So, what are we going to talk about? My new helmet's turned up. Boom. We'll do a video on that. That's coming up and coming. Not going to start wearing that one yet. My cables on this helmet have started to foul with the glue, so I've really re-glued them. I've had to tape them on this morning. Oh, I did not want to get up and go back to work. I've had nearly 2 weeks off. Oh my goodness. How hard is it to get back into it and go back to work? Oh. Yeah, weren't looking forward to this at all. Got my stealth boots on, switched over to my Black Hawk boots for the summer, because I think summer is pretty much here now, hopefully. So yeah, that's what I've been up to. Just waiting on my next, my upgrade GoPro to rock up. So that's winging its way here, so that should be here this week. Sold one of my bike jackets to on Spock. So got a guy coming to pick that up. It's one of my to my bomber jacket. I've only worn it once or twice, I think, max. I had a green one. Sold that to my mate Tom from the Centurions, and yeah, and then I regretted that. It was just a little bit too small, and then I for some reason I ordered a bleeding grey one, and Sparta bomber jacket it is, and yeah, not as nice. They're right, it's a good jacket, nice and warm, thin silhouette, body armour, shoulders, elbows, back, blah blah blah. It's all good stuff. But yeah, doesn't quite fit in with the Jim Diesel look. So yeah, so there we go. Yeah, going to try and make a conscious decision to not swear quite as much. Replace some of my swear words, take a leaf out of my kids' books, and replace the F word with F, and yeah, so that's what I'm going to try and do. I think I need to calm down a bit. So this weekend Mr. Fish is having his motovlog meet-up down in the south. It's just, I think it's East Sussex, just south of the M25. So that's on Sunday, so hopefully, all things going well, might be able to make that. Let's just hope this microphone does the business. So yeah, I was having a few mic issues. I've got a new one on. This has got quite good audio, this one, so hopefully this is coming through quite good. And you ain't getting too much wind noise. So I've been a bit of a naughty boy as well. I've forgotten to put my out of office on, so I'm dreading how many emails or unanswered, oh Jesus, can't speak, unanswered emails that I've got waiting in my inbox and people flapping at work. So that's probably going to be the first, oh me, Jesus, half an hour to an hour of my life going through bleeding emails. Should be to work by now. That petrol station has properly put me behind, the Shell garage has. Well, that wasn't as bad as what I thought it was going to be. 48 emails ready to get opened. Loads of work to do, nice and quiet. So yeah, but now got to shoot off home and sort my daughter out. She's been playing up with the wife, so I've got that to look forward to. Can't wait. Teenagers, eh? My sister did warn me. She's got 2 girls and they were teenagers, and she said they were an absolute nightmare for about 2 years, I think it is, that stage that they go through. Just going to pull in over here a minute just to check my nuts. Just going to pull in here a minute because it sounded a bit odd. Make sure my nuts are all in one place. Ah dear, let's have a quick look. Around that last, yeah, that's on. Yeah, they're there. It sounded like it was blowing a bit louder. Paranoia! Nice one, dickhead. Why do people do that? They're the type of person that probably goes in the toilet and sprays it everywhere as well. Probably a lady driving. Well, that sounded good. Anyway, I'm going to end it there. That's that video done with. If you like the videos, hit that like button. If you want to subscribe. If you want to get notifications, smash that notification bell. And that, my friends, is Jim Diesel out. Oh my god, what is going on in my garage? Why's my garage open? Tell you what I've noticed. Ooh. Where that exhaust is up there, it warms up right nicely under your legs.